In our deep engagements with educators worldwide, they told us that while there's a lot of great AI literacy content out there, there was not enough emphasis on how AI can be used to address humanity's greatest challenges. We asked ourselves, how might we leverage our impact-driven AI research to address this gap in a fun and engaging way for teens? This is how AI Quest was born. AI Quests is a gamified in-class learning experience that puts students in the shoes of Google researchers using AI to solve real-world challenges in climate, health, and science. We realized we couldn't and shouldn't do this alone. We needed a partner with world-class pedagogical expertise and a deep understanding of this age group. We are so privileged to have found that pedagogical partner in the Stanford Accelerator for Learning. We bring our breakthrough real-world research and they bring their pedagogical expertise. It's a perfect match.
The gold standard in the design of any learning experience or learning resource is to focus on a process called backwards design. AI Quests helps to develop an enduring understanding by building it into actual contexts and storylines that have real constraints, challenges, and other characters who are involved, just as we would see in everyday life. We are staying true to key principles from the learning sciences, but also really building a coherent experience and understanding for the students.
We didn't want students to just be guided through how AI works, sort of like a tutorial. And so we're not just telling them about the importance of human decisions in the process of developing and implementing AI systems, but they're actually experiencing it themselves.
The gamified learning experience in AI Quest actually transformed AI literacy into a problem-solving journey for the kids. They get to make choices regarding data, take on the role of problem solver, and actually see how all of these choices transform into real-world solutions. And in cases where some of those choices, fail, they get to go back and, make informed choices now.
One of the ways that we also develop supports in AI Quest is through the use of various pedagogical agents. And that's effectively a term for digital characters that serve an important role in the teaching and learning process.
So Professor Sky serves the role of a mentor. They help guide the student, they encourage the student to reflect, and they model expert reasoning. Another kind of character, Dr. Vissis, for example, is a subject matter expert, and they can provide expert information about the content domain. And then there's a third kind of character that's actually my favorite, which are characters who want to learn more about AI in order to keep helping their communities. And those characters, students actually help and teach.
And what we do in AI Quest is provide those spaces where students can do something that expresses their care and empathy and their decision-making on how to go about a set of decisions and activities that will have impact within the game context.
The core ideas that AI Quest aims to promote things like ethical awareness about AI, or the fact that AI is a tool that augments human decisions. I think those are really important skills.
Teens are often consumers of AI. In AI Quests, they're put in the role of creators and decision makers around AI. And this helps them to both see themselves in that key role and also to better understand how AI systems are developed, which can make them more critical consumers of AI.
Our partnership with Google Research is a powerful example of how academia and industry can come together. Google's deep technical expertise and broad portfolio of work in AI, combined with our knowledge and design processes from the learning sciences, has been a key driver in developing this innovative approach to AI education.
We are proud to bring the spirit of innovation from Google Research directly to educators and to the next generation, and contribute to a world where that knowledge is not a privilege, but available to everyone.